What's up, everybody? We're going to the school farm. Yep, that's Mr. 50,000. There's Jobel. There's the camera going down again. So, here's everybody who's going to the school farm. And where's Isabel? There you are.
Where's Jobel? Right here.
Yeah, right there. Usually, I do that. Yo, we're in the truck. Oops, the van. Let me see if I can fix that. Nope.
Watch
That's
his
right.
vlogs.
Yeah, vlog on vlog. And here's everybody in the van. Back with that lighting again. There we go. So, first time to the school farm.
This MJC vlog.
Yep. Yeah, so on our way to the school farm will be my first time there. Just nothing. I'm trying chickens. Yeah, so I'm just going there to help, just get up to school. Totally. Oh no, please don't hack the vlog.
He just doesn't want to take that test.
Wait, test, isn't that tomorrow?
No, it's today.
No.
And to the left there is.
We made it to the school farm. And then we're right here, and then we're with the pig.
Hey,
It's Jackie.
The pig like that's not her real name.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Is that pig for like bacon and stuff?
I had no idea. It's my first time.
I think he says he's going to use it for breeding.
Oh, for breeding. I think he said that. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
throwing
so
a pig. You are?
Yeah, the school farm. Then we can hear like chickens and all that.
Let's go, because some pressure
Farm work
taking
day.
forever.
They're cutting the PVC pipes. Jobel, get to work. This one got injured. Did you just hit me?
Yes, I just did hit you.
We're going to war. Isaiah, keep up the good work.
Won't work.
He was just standing there a few minutes ago.
Cutting PVC.
Oh yeah, sure. You were like, we're gonna report your CPA.
You know what she does to her brother? She put Bubba on his ass. He's gonna have to cut that out.
We're back here with Jobel and Tucker. Yeah, so Jobel broke the blade.
I did not break any.
Whoa, did you just cuss in my video?
Yes.
Oh no, that implements a censor beep. Come on. Yeah, I will. Can't believe you, Jobel.
Here, I'll do it again.
New update. Jobel didn't break it. It's someone tried to cut wire with it, so it's their fault. So Jobel, you are forgiven of what I supposedly said.
Because I didn't break any type of thing.
Maybe. Now look, everybody, look at that. So we move those like fences over that direction.
I love you, Isabel.
That
Isabel, I
way.
love
Yeah. Yep. So we're just gonna keep cleaning and all that. Bad lighting. There we go. Finishing up, heating up the pans, making them level and all that.
I was whooped.
And Isabel's wet, but you can't really tell.
Because the teachers think it's funny and that they can get away with anything.
Yep.
That one right there.
Yeah, that one. Look, there's Jobel.
Hi.
No.
Konnichiwa.
Hold on her.
Do it. Hey.
You said do it. Come on.
No, not that.
Aren't you hot?
No, I've already been wet enough.
Jabal, you?
No, she got your saliva on it. And I don't want saliva on my head. It was fresh.
What misses you?
You guys are kids. Did you do that? Robert, you're 18 now?
Yeah. I got you. He's an adult. You're allowed to hit him now.
I don't know.
He was allowed to hit me before.
I had permission from his parents and his sister. Yeah, my mom's
Yeah.
giving you permission to do anything. Your mom was funny. And I was like, you need to study more. She's like, yes, you do. She's not home all the time. So how does she know when I study or not? It's so annoying. You're recording. Turn it off.
Yo, so we're down at the farm, and we're going to get something to eat and then go back to school.
Yep. We're gonna go to Panda, guys.
Yep, right over there.
Yep. So we're gonna enjoy some of that food right now. You know, maybe you guys have Panda at your location. Well, it's pretty good, you guys know. So we're gonna go there and eat.
Usually the orange chicken at chow mein.
Legit.
So
Hashtag hack a vlog. How do you do this? Wait. Yeah, hashtag hack a vlog. Hey.
We're back at school. We're organizing the cabinets.
Hack a vlog.
Oh no, not hack a vlog. Yep, so the bell's going to ring, but even though we're excused for the whole day, I'm going to Shakespeare to work on my essay. Because I don't want to, or don't want to do it at home. It's a sneaky.
Hashtag hack a vlog.
Mop.
I like cameras in my truck.
Okay, that's it for now before I get in trouble. And see you guys some other time.